Hi guys, it's JT here. So for Black Friday special, we just bought the Yale touchscreen deadbolt to replace our old block here. As you can see, it's very inconvenient. Every time we have to open the door, we need to get a key. For this one here. This is a Kwikset double-sized cylinder here. It's tricky to remove this old locks. Is that there's two screws right here. I just finished with that, unscrew it, and then this screw right here is a screw inside a screw. Make sure you use a Phillips flat head and just unscrew this, both of them, and then now you see both sides loosen up, and that's how you remove it. Now I'm installing the new latch here. We're not gonna get it tight, just make it loose for now, and then we'll tie it later. Here's the touch screens. We're gonna put it outside. Just like that. And then the wire will go inside like this. Okay. Installing the mounting plate. Let's go. This here. Different screw that I'm about to do for interior. Two right here, and also one on the bottom here. So I'm gonna go first. The first one here. That's one. Now I'm put on the full battery. This battery should last for 6 months.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
Close the lid. So here's our finishing products. After you set up the key, and let me show you. Punch in the keys, and there we go. Now I'm gonna go back and work on the patio projects. It's gonna be the same things. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Have a great holiday.